Today we are going to learn where you can find out that the stocks which are having high delivery percentage. In last video we discussed that you can watch the most active stock list in NSE, National Stock Exchange website, to search for the strong stocks, and that concept was related to high delivery percentage. Because if a stock is showing you high delivery percentage, somehow it is showing you that more investors are convinced about the next uptrend of that stock, because you can take delivery in only buy position, not in sell position. In cash market you cannot sell and take the delivery of the stock. Only in intraday you can sell, or if you have to take the delivery you can sell in future and option. So our simple method was, come to National Stock Exchange website, then see the most active stock list, this most active stock list, and then if you click on the script name, the stock name, it will show you the trade information. Suppose you click on this HDFC Bank, then it will come, this trade information page will come. Here you have to see the percentage of deliverable that I shown you in last video. Percentage of deliverable means how much percentage of the traded quantity has been taken in delivery. So here 67% of the traded quantity was taken as a delivery. Means if 1 lakh quantity was traded, 67,000 quantity was taken in the portfolios as a delivery. Means that shows that conviction of the traders and investor that this stock may go up or down. If 90% of the traded volume has been taken as a delivery, you can say that more people are convinced that this stock will go up. If only 20% of the traded quantity has been taken as delivery, you can imagine that only intraday activity has been done. So that was the simple logic. Now the question is, today this 67% has come. How I can see that last 10 days or 20 days or 1 month or 2 months, what was the delivery percentage? For that data, I use Stockage. Once app is there, Stockage, that I will show you how you can use it. So that this is that app. When this is one mobile application also it is there, but this is a paid application. Some 1700 rupees for year you have to pay for the premium plan. So this I used to, and here if you search for that same stock name HDFC Bank, this page will come out, and in this section deliveries you have to click this deliveries. So if you click these deliveries, the page will open and it will show you last 2 month data. You can see the data from 2nd December is available. So here we can see that from December, in the month of December in HDFC Bank, delivery percentage was less, 56, 52, 56%. One day only 74% came, otherwise less than 70 was there. So here stock was trading around 1860 and all higher levels. From there stock has corrected also, and now you can see the delivery percentage is 79%, here 71%, 77, 74, 68, 74, 74. What I want to show is, when high delivery percentage is coming 74%, the stock has already rallied from 1664 to 1732. Stock is going up, that is okay, but this shows me that stock is having some time of conviction in the investor's mind that it will go, it's going in upward direction, and some chances are there, higher probabilities that this stock may go up. So from here in a Stockage app, you can search for any stock, that what is the delivery percentage for last 2 months. That data we can find out. This is one thing. Now the next thing is, if I want to search the stock list which have gained high delivery percentage, for that scanner is there. You have to come to this analytics section. One section is there, analytics. This analytics section you have to click. Then what will come, we'll see. So analytics will click, then this page will come. Here you have to go to scans. These scans will go, and then price and volume scan, price and volume scan. Then first one, price and delivery scan. Here high delivery percentage scan is there, high delivery percentage. So this will click. Then these are the stocks for 7th February. If you want to see the 6th February, 5th February, you can see. These are the stocks. Now when I will click that stock name, that delivery percentage page will come. So for that stock, I will analyze last 1 month data. what are the delivery percentage coming: 70%, 82%, 86%, 81%. In these 2 days you can see very high volume came. This light blue color is showing the volume quantity, and this dark blue is showing out of that traded volume how much quantity has been taken as delivery. So this dark volume and this light volume both are showing these 2 days heavy volume came, and out of that heavy volume a huge quantity was taken as delivery. Price was 1591, now the price is 1695. In this bear market also you can find such stocks. So when the uptrend will come in Nifty, this type of analysis and a system will give you a very good result. So always whenever you are buying any stock, I will recommend you just come to stockage app, type that stock name. Suppose here in NSE site you seen that SBI, here SBI you click, this page will open in NSE website, and trade information shows you that 46% of the traded quantity has been taken as delivery. Now I want to check whether in past 10 or 20 days whether this 70% criteria was met. Because if more than not 70% delivery volume is coming, how you can say that more people are convinced that this stock will go up? Only you know something? No. Big investors, big market players like mutual funds and other have a big team of analyst team. They have huge data. So if they are making position, they cannot hide it in this data. It will must show that higher trading volume will come, and out of that higher trading volume, higher delivery percentage will also come. When a mutual fund will buy, FII will buy, DII will buy, some big players, Vijay Kedia, Rakesh Junjunwala will buy, they will not buy one or two shares. They will buy huge quantity. They cannot hide that. It will come in the most active list. It in NSC website itself, it will come in the most active list, because more volume will come. And then you will see that whether in intraday only that more volume has come because of some news, or somebody wants to play in intraday, or somebody has taken that stock in their portfolio as a delivery. If they have taken as delivery, it will show here percentage of delivery. Now your task is only single day this delivery has come, or some past 5 or 10 days this percentage delivery is coming. Now some person was asking last video, what if in next 10 days I was waiting and the stock will already rally, and if I will buy it will start correcting? The stocks will not correct that much fast. You have to trust your system. You have to keep some stop loss in last swing low, or some 30 period moving average in weekly averages, and you have to take entry. But you cannot take entry in simply one day delivery percentage. That may be out of like one day it can come, but if it is coming regularly in some interval in last 20-30 days, you are convinced that something is happening in the stock. So always keep patience, and when you are satisfied with the stocks data, then only make entry. Don't be in rush, you will be trapped. Okay, so the next thing is we will take this stock to the stockage, and we will search the SBI, and here in delivery column we will see what are the delivery percentage coming. So these 2 days you see very heavy volume has come. This light blue color shows that heavy volume has come. In chart also this volume you can see. If you see this chart of 1 year, you will see that heavy volume has come this last 2 days. If we will go to that some June time, this you can see that volume has come here 2 days. Whether delivery has been taken, that will be shown in that stockage app. So here you will see that delivery is only 40 and 46%. Even though high volume has come, nobody wants to take delivery. Like nobody means not much people. So that will convince you that this is not the level to enter. This is just for your education, not your any recommendation, stock recommendation. So you can learn this and you can try this. Whatever stocks you are having in your portfolio, for that also you check. And next time whenever you buy any stock, just a 1 minute job just to go in stockage and check this, what is the delivery percentage coming. And for scanning new stocks, you can try this scanner of in analytics section of stockage. This is also a helpful. Also you can search in Google that high delivery percentage, like this you write. Then you write charting screener. Chart ink screener. This is also a free screener you will get. When you click this high delivery stocks you will get. So these are the stocks which are having high delivery today. This many stocks will come. Okay, so this also you can use. This is free of cost. So I hope you like this video. If you like, consider subscribing and share it with your friends. We'll meet you in next video. All the best.